Recall that a decision tree is a supervised model. Therefore, for step 3, we need to specify the data that we want our tree to learn to predict and the data that will be used to make those predictions. In order to do this, we need to split our training data into label and features. As you can see in the picture below, the red outline column is what we want our model to learn to predict. We call this the label. And the blue outline columns, on the other hand, is the data that we want our model to use to make these predictions. These columns are usually referred to as features. Since we're only looking at the training data, we can just pay attention to the shaded red and the shaded blue portions of the graph, and we can ignore the rest of the dataset for now. Let's now run the cell with the code that will separate our training data into the two different chunks. The labels portions called S2020 training labels. Notice that for our training label, the only one that we should have into account is cases per 100,000. As you can see in this graph, we can easily verify that we have the correct partition. We have 40 rows for both labels and features. We have 1 column for label and then 9 columns for the features.